In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit duration of photos on TikTok. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up TikTok app and then tap at plus sign to start creating your video. You can hit right here at upload to open up your photo gallery where you can select a photos. Just tap here at photos tab, and now there, if you want to add here some photos, just check mark that photos to add them. And now just don't forget to add any one video from videos tab. Then you will understand why you need to add a video. Just check mark the video and then tap on next. And here at the right side now you got adjust clips feature, and you have this feature because you added here a video. So now you can scroll to the very right, then select a video from here and then tap on delete to delete this video row. And now you can tap here at any of your photo, and then just by dragging the edges of that video you can set up the length of this video, of that photo on your video. So you can, by dragging, increase or decrease the duration of each kind of slide on that slideshow. Also from here you can remove that sound, and now you can tap on save to see how your video now looks like. If you're satisfied with the result, all you have to do is hit here at next and then tap on post to share this video to your followers. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.